In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best coolest car gadgets in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Traditional foot pumps, or even inflators that plug into your car's 12-volt socket, aren't as convenient as battery-powered models. It's another gadget that's possible because of the now ubiquitous lithium-ion battery. The Ring is a well-established British brand, and its RTC200 delivers up to 120 psi, way more than you'll ever need for your car. It takes few minutes to top up a car tire from, say, 20 to 30 psi and has enough power to do this on all 4 wheels. In testing it took well under a minute to add 1 psi. Ring says it will inflate a bike tire from flat in 2 minutes. It may be able to pump up a car tire from flat, not the fastest, but less hassle than a wired pump that connects to your car's 12-volt accessory socket. It's also great for motorbikes. There's a soft carry bag, but usefully the flexible pipe is stored in the side of the unit and adapters are stowed in the base so you can use it to pump up footballs and other things, and there's less chance of losing them than pumps, which don't have slots for these things. There's an LCD display on the front and easy-to-understand buttons. You can choose 4 preset pressures, and the RTC200 will stop when that pressure is reached. It'll also display pressure when attached to a tire, so you can use it to check pressures as well as inflate. It comes with a Drix bottle holder that's designed to be attached to the mounting holes present on most bikes, and there's an LED light for use in the dark. There's even a USB port so you can charge up your phone or another device. Number 4. If you let your buddies eat in your car on the way to your monthly fishing trip, then you probably need a vacuum that is the perfect size for a vehicle. Black & Decker must also have some messy eating fishing trip pals, as they produce the perfect vacuum to take care of hard-to-reach crumbs. Or maybe they're just parents? The dads among you are nodding in agreement right now. One of the best aspects of this car gadget is its nozzle head. The nozzle on this design is innovative in that it pivots to get into the small spaces beneath car seats and in between the seams of your vehicle's seats. The filter is also super easy to clean out and can even be washed without risk of damage. Its convenience is only matched by exceptional suction power to give your car a thorough clean each and every time. Find out more about this car accessory by hitting the button right below. Number 3. On our scenic drive through, the best car gadgets on the market is a dashboard cam. It's certainly not the last dash cam you'll see here, but Car have done themselves proud with this model. It's actually a dual camera which shows a full HD 1080p using the front camera and a 480p rear camera. It even records your drive, which can come in useful in the event of accidents and disputes. If there is an accident, this dash camera will cleverly recognize the collision and save a recording of what happened. Yet, one of the coolest features on this dash camera is that it's a touchscreen model. Less time fiddling with buttons and more time with your eyes on the road when using this product. Another positive with this model is that it has motion detector sensors. This means when you do attempt an award-worthy parallel park in front of the hot girl dining al fresco at your favorite downtown cafe, you increase your chances of getting some digits. Oh, and you and other vehicles remain unscathed. Number 2. If your smartphone charger isn't causing you problems, you may need more organization in the trunk of your car. This multipurpose organizer from Fordham does just that. It's a heavy-duty but collapsible container offering fantastic storage options. You may want to use it to separate your groceries or keep your suntan lotion easily accessible for weekends away at the coast, checking out the surf. Whatever your reason to be organized in the back, this car accessory can help you achieve optimum organization. This car accessory has a lot of awesome features. It has non-slip pads to prevent it from moving around as you drive, which also keeps your items secure and safe. It also has side pockets to go with the many spacious compartments. The pockets can be used for different items including smartphones, snacks and more. All pockets are padded or reinforced to ensure it lasts you a long time on the road. Even when it does rack up the miles, you can be safe in the knowledge that it comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 1. If you buy only one gadget for your car, it should be a dash cam. This records video constantly while you drive, providing a reliable witness if something unfortunate happens. Our top pick is the Virefo A229 Duo, as it combines good image quality with the features you need, and the price includes a rear-facing camera as well. If you want to use the parking mode to capture incidents when you're not in your car, you'll need to use the hardwire kit, which takes power from your car's fuse box. That isn't as difficult as it sounds, but you may prefer to pay someone to install it for you. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.